Hi everyone, Scott Winard from Let's Do Bonsai here. As you may be aware, and as Dan and Andy like to keep pointing out, I recently went to Canada to visit Nigel Saunders, and we went to the US National Show. Yes, Dan and Andy, I'm seeing it again. They keep ribbing me because I keep mentioning when I was at the show, when I was at, you know, anyway. Obviously, you've seen the footage of the show that I could put up. I was there for the best part of a week, just over. We had an absolutely brilliant time. Myself and Nigel just hung out for the whole time we were there. We went to the show, once again I'll mention it again, and on the way back we visited Niagra Falls. Prior to the show and after the show we were just hanging out all the time. Some messages were going to the WhatsApp group that I'm in, and I'd just like to share those with you, as well as some of the footage that we managed to take, because in all our excitement we hardly recorded anything. We didn't do any bonsai work. Nigel just treated me to a fantastic week off, and I thoroughly enjoyed it, and I look forward to repaying the compliment when come February. Behind the scenes in the bonsai zone.
Hi everyone!
There's made of the mist down there too. Can you see it down there, Scott?
Hi guys, Niagra Falls we're in now. It's unbelievable. Can't find anywhere to spend the money in this dull place. You'd think they'd find some sort of lighting for around here. It's like Blackpool meets Disneyland.
We'll use Corin's scissors, which are rusty. Okay.
So it's my last day here in the bonsai zone with Nigel.
Hard to believe. It's just flown by.
The week has just absolutely flown.
It's scary, actually.
It is very scary.
How fast time goes.
So Nigel's going to treat me to a piece of the baobab fruit, which I was really looking forward to.
Yeah.
And here we go. We're going to crack it open and have some fruit.
Let's get cracking. I think as you eat it, it becomes, your taste buds tune into it or something. At first it's kind of a bit dry and tasteless, but...
And there's seeds actually inside the
Yeah, in the
pulp here.
pulp, yeah. So then you spit them out. Just put them in that little cup there.
The flavour really builds up.
Yeah, it builds, doesn't it?
Sharper and sharper, and
Yeah.
goes kind of creamy.
Creamy. Like almost like a custard or something.
So that's the fruit. Yeah.
Yeah, and inside there you can see there's a seed inside the pulp there. And it's very stringy. The fibers of the baobab bark are used for mats and rugs and all kinds of uses. Rope.
It's very... Starts off, like you say, with no flavour, and then
Yeah.
it becomes quite intense, the flavour.
Hi everyone, Nigel Saunders here. Scott Winter.
Bye everyone, we're heading off to the garden now to have a look around and see what trouble we can get into. So thanks everyone, and it was nice meeting you all.
And as you know, I don't get into trouble, so
No,
we'll see you later.
we're gonna stay out of trouble. I like bonsai more than people. Except I like Ryan. We're heading to the U.S. National Show Saturday and Sunday, part of Sunday probably. If we survive Scott driving on the wrong side of the road, that's going to be the challenge.
Hi everyone, we're going off to see some wonderful old cedars at Rattle Snake Point. These cedars can be over 1,000 years old. They're some of the oldest trees in Canada, and they're pretty cool too.
And seeing as we're feeling a little bit better, we think we're up to the trip.
Yep.
Hey everyone.
We enjoying Milton?
Yeah, it's a good place. Downtown Milton's a great place.
Nice food, good people. We're having fun.
Lots of restaurants.
Hello everyone, we are at Rattlesnake Point. We haven't seen any rattlesnakes, but we've seen lots of rocks and trees.
So much, some lovely roots, woodpeckers pecking away in the trees. Oh, it's awesome.
But it's starting to get dark out, so we got to head back.
And unfortunately, we didn't bring any of the recording equipment, so you won't see any footage of our little venture into the woods.
Oh well.
I'm just getting a little,
yeah.
I'm just
Yeah.
a little snick of the benches, just to prove I was. So I've had a real amazing time here in the bonsai zone, as I did last time, and Nigel is just like the perfect host. He's looked after me every step of the way, made sure I was okay, morning, afternoon and evening, and to travel with him to Rochester for the US National Show, well, that was just something else. The talk and the conversation on the way, you know, it's unimaginable until you actually do it, and yeah, Nigel is just the best. All the famous trees in the bonsai zone. Absolutely fantastic. Sometimes you have to pinch yourself that you're actually here looking at these trees that Nigel's worked on for so long. That beetle looks absolutely brilliant, and in person it looks absolutely amazing. The effect that Nigel's got on those vehicles is it's absolutely fantastic. So that's going to do it from me in the bonsai zone. So get out there and make the best of the rest of your day. Be kind to each other, animals and the planet, and as always I'll see you again in the next one.